Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Mayang gabi, as we say in the Visayas. It's my pleasure to be given this role of introducing our guest speaker to the launching of the book of Doro Nila. Mrs. Ramondes, Karina Bulaskoye, she must be here. I cannot see anybody. And the Philippine Daily Inquiry, the leaders, and there are, of course, the author whose book we are launching tonight. To our many colleagues at UP who know Cynthia Bautista well, Professor of Sociology, I'll say simply Cynthia. We even abbreviate that to Synth. Very personable. She's as humble as she is gifted. We know her as very thoughtful and articulate, a highly accomplished and respected social scientist, and a good friend. That she is good-looking does not detract from what I've said. Her list of publications in journals and edited volumes here and abroad run several pages. This prodigious creativity and scholarship and her other intellectual engagements here and internationally tell us that she must also be a healthy person to be able to do so much in a relatively short time as teacher, scholar, consultant, academic administrator, and advocate. Professor Bautista finished high school at the College of the Holy Spirit as valedictorian and obtained her A.B. in Sociology magna cum laude from UP and her Master's and Ph.D. in Sociology at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The wide range of her scholarship touches on such subjects as the middle classes in their various dimensions and significance, art, heritage, and religion, democratic consolidation and the challenge of poverty, people power 2, as the revenge of the elite on the masses. That's the title, and that's the book edited by Doro Nila, where Cynthia and I were among 16 co-authors. It was about Joseph Estrada. Other subjects that engaged Cynthia: the quality of life of the Filipino, the NGO and voluntary sector, the status of women, Marxism and the peasantry in the Philippines, when educational reform does not transform our educational system. And she is also engaged in making something great and memorable about all the awardees of the Ramon Magsaysay Foundation from the very beginning. More, building a culture of science, philosophy of education for the 21st century, and so on. The many flavors of our intellectual and developmental concerns are truly impressive. In UP, among other things, in the guise of rewarding, we punish our best scholars and teachers by making them administrators at one time or another. And it works sometimes. So Cynthia Bautista has also served as chairperson of the Department of Sociology, Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, and Executive Director of the Center for Integrated Studies of the UP system. I know she served these posts with distinction because I worked with her as president during that period. Mga kababayan, aking karangalan, at kagalagang papakilala ang ating panauhing tagapagsalita, Mary Cynthia Rose Bautista.